What is good? What is good? What is good? Kingsley Joshua Trey, Lord himself, come to you live and back with another video, guys. Um, Going over just catching up to the markets. Just open up my charts a little bit. We had a great trading day. Made about like $100 on this $6,000 account. Um, but yeah, we're up for the week so far. Pretty good. But yeah, let's catch back up to the market. So this is a trade I took. Basically, I didn't take this right here. I took this. This is my entry. So when the price finally decided to come up, this is my stop loss and my TP, of course, right there. And that was a nice clean trade. And I risked basically $200 to make $100 on that trade, and boom, got it. Now this fib is destroyed once we catch up back to it. And this is how I mark my areas of where I am at. A 4 hour. And again, if you don't really understand this is not for beginners. Like this um go back to my past videos. Like I did the past 3 recent videos, watch those, and then you'll be all caught up. This is going straight to my YouTube as well. Okay, I can delete this now. Actually, I don't need that back because this is the 4 hour structure now. So every time you finish a trade, you want to come back, catch up back into the 4 hour chart. Want to see the open, close, different numbers. Okay, so this is now the new breaker structure point on the 4 hour. I mean, I'm gonna delete that. For up structure, I'm looking for up structure movements. We have up structure on the monthly. That's my pink lines again. Go over that again. Purple line is weekly. We're up structure. Daily is the yellow line. The orange line, whatever to call, is up structure as well. So that's 3 out of the 4 horsemen. So we're going up. I just need a 4 hour because that's our scope. And 4 hour is up structure. We just haven't got that win. And then 1 hour right now is matching 4 hour structure right now, currently. And I can see here, this is where we at. And that's way past due. And what I'm basically waiting for on this one now because we had the win finally got that there. All right, next trade. We're just looking for some kind of breakout here. And now most likely we're gonna do a 4 hour break of structure. And now I'll just have to wait for the 4 hour break of structure again. But since we're still in up structure on the 4 hour and up structure on the 1 hour, all I'm doing really is just waiting. And of course, I could also set alerts to, whichever point, but I'm done be chilling off of that. Let's go to different pair now. AUD USD. Again, down structure on the monthly. Up structure on the weekly. Yeah, this point A, point B. Last 2 confirmation from this high. It's down here, so that's our breaker structure point. And we've been in this zone for quite some time. And daily is pretty much, this is the daily breaker structure. And this is the high. Okay, let's delete this right now too. Yeah, I'm skipping wherever's happening right now. So we just did a 4 hour continuation, waiting for a 4 hour brick, waiting for a brick of structure. But I'm not gonna be taking this trade. I'll be marking it up, and I want to see what it does. If it's all give me one of these or one of these. I don't care for these, but I'll mark it up. But I'm still looking for one of these or these. And the only time I'll be taking action is when I get one of this, and then I can take action again. But again, if you wanted my full strategy, hit me up in the DMs on Instagram or YouTube or the Trading View as well. It'll be on Trading View, and contact me. Also Facebook too, Kingsley Joshua. Um, yeah, this is the four. We're just waiting for a 4 hour break of structure, which looks like we got right here. After we did that continuation, we had this low. This is the lowest point. Last two confirmation was here, and this is the highest point to the right before all of this happened, basically. So now we just broke structure with this candle right here, I could see. And we do a continuation. We didn't get a solid pullback yet. Again, not taking this next setup. Now I just gotta wait for a pullback to the 23, and it will be valid to mark up basically. But that's what's going on AUD USD. Let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD. We're waiting for a 4 hour up break of structure. So I go to the 4 hour chart, and you can see it there. We're waiting for this thing to break structure, but since it looks like it's all do a continuation, after it does that continuation, this becomes the next last two candle formation, and this becomes the low because it's the lowest point to the right, and I was just pulling that thing up. That's what I basically see right there. That's about to happen. USD CHF. We are down structure on 4 hour, and we are looking for sells. This was another play that I took yesterday in that one. So again, if I'm this is the pattern I'm looking for is I'm looking for this to happen, and then next thing I'm going to be taking this the wrong way, and basically I'm looking for this kind of situation, this kind of pattern. After this, I'm looking for two of these, and then after two of these, I'm gonna be waiting till I get one of this again, or at least four of these, and then I can take in the right direction to get one of this. Basically, the scenario. That's all I'm doing. And if you don't understand that, hit me up in the DMs. um, this thing right here. So we finally got, excuse me, NZD USD. I just got the signal while I was watching, a show. I'll be risking $100 to make $50 on this trade that's coming up. I'm just waiting for a pullback, but yeah, you can see it here on the signal. I was saying 1 hour break of structure, all align, set Robin trap wrong way, risk $100 to make $50. All right. So this is the highest point, the new highest point right now. If I go to the 4 hour, I can clearly see here 4 hour new high. It looks like we did a daily continuation as well. It's daily new high. Now with that daily new high, this is the last two confirmation. So we can pull this yellow to this wick. And then for the 4 hour, oh, why do that? 4 hour. Since we made this high now, from this high, what's the last two yellow candles that were together? So this yellow candle's by itself, yet this yellow candle by itself, yet this yellow candle by itself, yellow candle by itself, two yellow candles together right here. From the two, what to the right is the lowest point. Lowest point is this wick right here. You take this, and now, oh, that's the daily, my bad. Take this 4 hour, which is the blue, and now that's the 4 hour breaker structure. It's really that simple. And if you want to line it up properly, you see the lowest point. So we have open, high, low, close. I just have to wave to the candle, and I see 366, 336. I mean, boom. So 4 hours in up structure. I'm just waiting for a pullback so I could place my fib on the, pull back to the 23 so I could place my fib. So that's what's going on in that pair. This pair, we're waiting for a 4 hour breaker structure as well. We're midway there, but we didn't crack it yet. 4 hour breaker structures right here at this point to continue going further up. And that was GBP JPY. What I'll be doing on this one, waiting for a 4 hour breaker structure. This at Robin Trap the right way this time, so I'm risking $50 to make $100. Why? Because I have 3 of these in a row of basically what I said in the beginning, right? I had the one that did a fully complete of 2 to 1, and then those half trades, right? And so I had 3 of them in a row. So 3 of those patterns in a row is I'm bound to break the pattern, right? Markets don't keep on doing the same thing over and over again. It would be very easy and predictable. And what I mean by that is not this one. This one right here. See this? This is the scenario. You get this first. Okay, I'll be taking the next trade, going the wrong way, and I would have nailed it. Would have dodged this one, right? Because it didn't hit the negative 27, but I'll mark it up still. And then this one hit, and then it finally came back down here. So risking 100, the 200 to make 100, nailed it. And then I risk 100 to make 50, so $150 right there. And that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm now have this skip, right? Now the next opportunity, I'm waiting for the same thing. Well, now I'm going the right way, the right way. So I'm basically saying I'm gonna get another one of these the moment I break 4 hour breaker structure. That's all I'm saying. And if I don't, hey, it's come eventually. I know that. And we keep on rolling. Euro JPY. Basically looking for the same thing. We are going the right way, risking $50 to make $100. And this scenario is a little bit different. This scenario, we had that case of having more than 4 of those mini wins, right? So I have 2 of these to back to back, excuse me. And then I had these 2. Then I had a win here, the big win. And then 1, 2 small wins, right? So 1, 2, 3, and I see 4. So the moment I get 4 of those, that's when you start going. So for this one, I would have risked $25 to make $50, right, on this one. But guess what? I skipped that one, and I put the $25 here. And I lost that one, and this would have been really the $50 to make $100. So what I really should be doing is $100 to make $200, but I'm being conservative, right? Being conservative. Um. All right. So yeah, USD JPY now. Waiting for the same thing. Waiting for this 4 hour break of structure. We've been in this structure for quite some time, all the way back into May. Uh, yeah, basically May 3rd to now. It still hasn't broke the 4 hour break of structure, and that's why it's important to trade multiple pairs with this strategy. I trade a total of 11 pairs, including Bitcoin as well. Because Bitcoin, you can do the same strategy to anything, any market it works on. Um, yeah, speaking of Bitcoin, this is where we at on Bitcoin right here. So you had that scenario. This 4 hour structure, but we're still in up structure on the 4 hour, right? Still in up structure on the 4 hour, and we're looking to lean up, and it looks like it's doing a nice continuation soon. Get ready to buy. I'm telling you, Bitcoin's already at 70,000, right? I'm back at 70,000. We're about to go in buy mode right now. Currently, after this little default, all right. We're in down structure on the 1 hour, and all you have to do is wait for 1 hour break of structure. This one also can take as well the right way, the right approach, right? Why is that? You had the win here, and then after that, you had all these bunched up mini wins right here. 1, 2, 3, right? And then 4. And after 4, this is also 5. So I could be risking $25 to make $50. Lost it, right? And now this one, I can risk $50 to make $100 on this one. So basically, what I'll be doing on this one, if price can manage to reach up to here, my stop losses will be down here, and my TP so I'll be right here. And I can match up my stop loss with this high. Highest point is 145. Boom. And that's a solid entry right there. So I'm just waiting for that. But if price decides to come down to here, price decides to come down this way, I have an alert here. And that alert is simply stop out, delete Robin trap. So that's when I'll be deleting this. Boom. All right. But yeah, that's what I'm looking for currently in the market. And that's basically how I trade, man. It's really simple. I set my alerts and I go about my day, and I get those alerts on my phone, and I plug in the trades. That's simple. All right. Deuces. till the next time.